The add-on is installed like all other Blender add-ons. Go to the Blender preferences via the Edit menu, go to the list of add-ons and click on Install from File. Select the zip file and I say the zip file and click on Install add-on. Now you just have to activate the add-on by clicking on the checkbox. For a better experience in Blender, I also recommend you to activate another add-on which is present in a native way in Blender, Node Wrangler. Everything is ready. It's time to make a small tour of the interface, which is divided into 3 areas. First of all, the pie menu that you can display by pressing the F key. On the left, we have everything that concerns editing layers and mixing them together. It's a part that will be used a lot. On the right are the masks that allow you to place different textures on the edges and in the cavities. The bottom part contains operations that will allow to mix the masks together. Finally, at the top we find reference colors ready to use. The second area, which is perhaps the most interesting, or at least the one you will use the most, is in the side panel. The side panel of Blender is displayed or hidden by pressing the N key. There you will find a Fluent tab. Use the section drop-down menu to access the different effects offered by the add-on. As you know, Fluent Material Creator isn't a library of pre-made materials, but a tool allowing you to create your own custom textures. So, you will find here all the proposed effects that you can use in your materials. Finally, in the side panel of the viewport, you will find a Fluent tab in which you will find tools for baking your texture and masks. I take this opportunity to point out that the texture can be saved automatically in a folder if the Blender file is previously saved and if your operating system allows the add-on to save on the hard disk. If everything works, you will find a textures folder next to the Blender file in which all the textures will be saved. I will meet you in the next video to start practicing.